Hi, Mattress Mac here at Gallery Furniture. I want to thank all the Texans for your tremendous support of our neighbors during the horrors of Tropical Storm Imelda. As you know, many parts of Houston got overwhelmed with floodwater. Beaumont was devastated with floodwater, so we're here to help. I want to let you know what Gallery Furniture is doing along with your help. We couldn't do it without the tremendous volunteers and the people helping to fight the horrors of Hurricane Imelda. The first step for all the residents who got so much water in their home or in their apartment is mucking and gutting, getting rid of the carpet, getting rid of the furniture that unfortunately got wet, getting rid of the drywall that got wet. So today we're going to visit our friends at Houston Toolbank to show you what they're doing to be on the front line of helping so many citizens in Houston and all through Southeast Texas who got water damage in their home from Tropical Storm Imelda. Thanks for all your tremendous support. As always, Texans rise up in a crisis. We help each other. Regardless of race, color, creed, we come together as one. This is not a political fight. This is a fight for the survival of our city and our state. And we're going to once again come together and help each other.
I'm Godfrey Hubert, and I'm the founder of Hope Disaster Recovery.
I'm Tanya DeBose, and I am the Executive Director of Independence Heights Redevelopment Council. And so Hope Disaster showed up with their disaster case managers to start the process of getting them into a system to try to get them the help that they need. And of course, I just heard the good news about Gallery Furniture and becoming a partner here. And so all I can say is that we are very, very excited about that. And we're excited about what God is doing here. And it wasn't until we came over to this part of the neighborhood that we were really able to see the damage that was done. We know before that this area had been hit, but usually they're closed up. You miss the moving of the furniture and the sheetrock. And I think what we really saw when we came here was that people had lost hope.
We've done 16 homes so far on this block and the next block over. And we have signed up 42 homes to be done right in this area.
And we anticipate that it's going to take about 134 homes to get Independence Heights recovered from this flood.
Their daughter happens to be pretty severely handicapped, and she's nonverbal and she's also autistic. So when this happened, it's a big deal for them to displace not just them, but their daughter. They have to move her to another place, and so it's been really hard. So one of our goals here was to get in and get them dried out so that we could get them rebuilt and put back together again and back on their feet in a stable situation. Because for them, it's bigger than just being inconvenienced. It's a mental and physical issue for their family.
Her life is disrupted because, her room, carpet is gone.
Right.
And
those little things are a big deal for her right now.
Those little things are a big deal, very big deal. She can't touch the wall because she's blind. Gotta watch where she walk.
So on this one, we're looking at less than a foot of water. So the idea was to bring the sheetrock up about 2 feet. And keep it in a 2-foot span. Then we can cut down the drywall, and the install can go pretty quick. Any kind of wood product that's going to be submerged into water, we're going to try and get that up off the ground. Some of the hardwoods we're able to save, and so we put that outside to kind of dry out. Some of it can reuse, and then other parts we're just trying to just piling things up and just getting stuff out of the house that that has to go out to the street.
Hi, I'm Erica Hornsey with the Houston Community Toolbank. We're a local tool lending library. We have more than 20,000 tools, 250 types of tools, and we're lending those to any volunteers in the community that's doing Imelda relief work. Right now we have $150,000 worth of tools in more than 1,000 volunteers' hands working to recover and rebuild post-Imelda. If you want to sign up to be a member agency, you can do so by going to our website, houstontoolbank.org. It is completely free. You place your order online and we'll have it ready for you at the bay doors. Like I said, we're lending all of our tools for free for 2 weeks to help with mucking, gutting, and other Imelda related work. If you want more information, our website, houstontoolbank.org, or give us a call at 713-674-0262. Thank you so much. And a big thank you to Mac and the whole team at Gallery Furniture. You supported us after Harvey and you're supporting us now, and we just thank you so much.
My
name is Christina Muhammad. I'm with the 10,000 Fearless First Responders. We're working with the Community Restoration Project with Fatima Mann. And we're getting ready to take these wonderful tools over to Vidor, Texas, and also Beaumont, Texas, so we can begin to actually help heal the lands when it comes to restoration and repair for our people.
This is Chris Hall with Houston Northwest Church. His group has been mucking and gutting this home that was flooded again without a place to go to.
That's right, she's rebuilt and rebuilt, 89-year-old.
That's resilience.
Resilience to the max, I can't imagine.
So how many times have you flooded?
This is about the 5th time.
Fifth time.
You know, sometimes we don't have anywhere else to go.
No.
That's true.
And sometimes this is home.
Right.
This is where, how long have you lived in Independence Heights?
Oh my goodness. It's been a long time.
A long time.
And so it has been a very long time.
Yes, it has been.
They were able to get out before the water really did start coming in, so we're thankful for that. But as you can see, they've lost everything in the home. The water was about here, and you got to take all the sheetrock 4 foot and down. So it's a lot of manpower, a lot of hours. This saves the homeowner thousands and thousands of dollars by having volunteers come in to do the beginnings of this work.
These families that are here, to move them would mean ripping apart that social fabric that's here in the community. So we're going to do whatever we can. So we're just asking everybody to have hope and hold on.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
We love
you
you.
so much.
We love you so much.
Seeing people smiling again, and so that's really important to us, that they know that there are people here who are going to help them.
We just encourage Houston to volunteer,
Yes.
to come help their neighbors, if not here, in other communities where it flooded. Houston needs us.
This neighborhood flooded this time like we've never seen it before. And when the mayor called and he said, you know, we found a close by shelter where people can go. And I said, who is it? And they said Mattress Max. I was like, you know what? He's what makes Houston strong. And he's
Yes,
what
he does.
makes this all worth it, because there's somebody who's really watching, who's really caring, and who has a heart to give back to community. And so we just thank him for what he's doing for this community.
We all need to follow Mattress Mac's example, that we're not here just to make money, we're here to invest in the community as a community invests in our business. So we're so proud to be a part of this new coalition, new partnership. Thank you, Mattress
lives.
Mac. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, Mattress Mac here, and if you're looking to help get your home mucked and gutted after the horrors of Tropical Storm Imelda, go to galleryfurniture.com and click on the Imelda Relief button. Yeah, you're going to see the comprehensive list of who to contact and what to do. Thank you for standing up as proud, resilient Texans after this horrors of this recent storm and natural disaster. Thank you, Texas. God bless Texas. Go to galleryfurniture.com and see the many resources there to help you get your home mucked and gutted. Or if you want to volunteer and get out there and help people, that's what it's all about. So go to galleryfurniture.com, look at all the relief people we can help you with, or if you want to volunteer even better, let us know. We're going to get through this together and make Houston and Texas better and stronger.